When a family pursues a wrongful death claim in Illinois, one of the most common questions I get is how long will the case take? My name is Zach Anderson. I'm a co-owner at 217 Law and an injury attorney in Central Illinois. In this video, I want to just briefly touch on the timeline for wrongful death cases in Illinois and some of the factors that can affect how long those cases last. The short answer, the reality, is I have no idea how long a case is going to take. Every case is different, and the timeline can vary very dramatically, depending on the facts of the case and the issues involved. I've had wrongful death cases before that resolve very quickly through settlement negotiations within a matter of a couple of months following somebody passing away. This typically would only occur if liability is clear and insurance coverage, there's enough insurance coverage available um, to, to provide for a fair valuation. That being said, a lot of cases don't resolve very quickly, and lawsuits have to be filed. And when lawsuits get filed, the claim is really at the mercy of the court system at that point. Cases can take a long time. Um, I've had I've had wrongful death cases that have been on file for 3, 4 years before something gets done. Actually, I don't know if I've had anything go 4 years, but um, I know I had one case that was filed during COVID, and it lasted. A wrongful death case that was filed during COVID, lasted a little over 3 years. And again, that's because litigation process involves several steps, which includes filing the lawsuit, includes exchanging discovery, includes taking depositions of the parties that are involved. Typically, in wrongful death cases, there's experts that have to get involved. They have to be deposed. There's all sorts of motions that get filed that have to be addressed. It's also important to remember in wrongful death cases, court approval of any settlements required. And while this seems simple, it can add another layer, another step that has to be, another box that has to be checked, I guess I should say, before the case can be finalized. But that being said, the process can take some time, and so it's very important to speak with a lawyer as soon as possible after somebody passes away. If you think you or your family might have a wrongful death claim, not only does it help, secure evidence that may disappear if too much time passes, but it also gets the ball rolling on the claim. And these claims can take a long time, and so getting it started sooner rather than later, even while you're still grieving, can um, future you will thank present you for doing that. If you lost a family member and you think you might have a wrongful death claim due to something that occurred in Central Illinois, please feel free to reach out. Be happy to talk to you. I'm happy to consult with you, see if my law firm might be a good fit to work together, and I would appreciate the opportunity.